Welcome everyone! Today, we're diving into a story that echoes through the corridors of history, a tale that intertwines faith, courage, and the rich tapestry of Indian culture. When we chant Har Har Mahadev, we're not just invoking the name of Lord Shiva, we're celebrating a symbol of unity and indomitable spirit that has inspired countless generations. Lord Shiva, the embodiment of paradox, has always been the soul of India. He resides atop the majestic Kailash mountain, where the serene beauty of nature meets the divine. The Ganga, flowing gracefully through his matted locks, represents purity and life, while the serpent coiled around his neck signifies the balance of power and tranquility. With his trident in hand, he stands as both a protector and a destroyer, reminding us that destruction is often a precursor to new beginnings. In the heart of this narrative lies a profound lesson. Transformation often requires letting go of the old to make way for the new. This is not just a lesson for individuals, but for a nation that has faced countless challenges throughout its history. The essence of India is captured in this cycle of destruction and rebirth, a testament to resilience and hope. As we reflect on the significance of Lord Shiva, we see how his teachings resonate deeply within the fabric of Indian society. His presence inspires us to embrace change, to face our fears, and to unite in the face of adversity. The slogan Har Har Mahadev serves as a rallying cry, reminding us that we are part of something greater, a collective spirit that transcends individual struggles. In moments of darkness, when fear and uncertainty loom large, it is this spirit that lights our path. The stories of those who have drawn strength from their faith in Shiva remind us that courage is not the absence of fear, but the determination to rise above it. Each chant of Har Har Mahadev reverberates with the echoes of history, connecting us to the warriors, sages, and everyday heroes who have walked this land before us. So, as we continue to navigate the complexities of life, let us carry forward the legacy of Lord Shiva. Let us embrace the lessons of destruction and renewal, and let our hearts resonate with the spirit of unity and courage. Together, we can create a future that honors our past while boldly stepping into the unknown. Thank you for joining me on this journey through history and faith. If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to follow or subscribe for more tales that celebrate the richness of our shared heritage. Until next time, keep the spirit of Har Har Mahadev alive in your hearts.